Algebra is an interesting and useful topic in maths, but sometimes it's a bit confusing when you're just starting out. But you want to know something cool? You kinda already know how to do it. You might have seen a problem like this before. We have a box plus 2 is equal to 4. What number should be in the box to make this true? I'll give you a second to work it out. Alright, have you got it? The answer is 2. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. This makes sense, right? Hopefully everyone understands this. In algebra, all we really do is replace the empty box with a letter from the alphabet, and we call these letters pronumerals. Pronumerals are cool because we can use them to represent numbers when we don't know what they are, and they allow us to make interesting and sometimes complicated equations. You might have seen this before. E equals mc squared, c squared equals a squared plus b squared, y equals mx plus b, and these are just a few. We can create expressions by using a bunch of pronumerals. For example, we could have the letter x all by itself, that's an expression. Or we could add 1 to the value of x to create x plus 1 or x plus 3, whatever you want really. In algebra, we can also do multiplication. When we want to, say, write down 3 times y, we can completely ignore the multiplication symbol and just write 3y. Remember, 3y is the same as 3 times y. We can also write 5y, 2q. What do these mean? One more thing. We can combine both of these ideas and create more complicated expressions. We could write 2x plus 1. What does this mean? How about 3 minus 4y? We can also create expressions that use more than one pronumeral. We could have x plus y, or xy. We could get even more creative and write 7x plus 3y, or xyz. There are so many ways we can create algebraic expressions.